In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom URL for your Facebook group. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want your Facebook group to have a custom URL, once you have logged in to your Facebook, you will need to come over to your left hand side bar here and select the groups tile. Once you have selected groups, what you will need to do is go to groups you manage, and then under there, as you can see, all the groups you manage will be listed down here. Click on the group you want. And then once you click on that, from here what you'll need to do is stay on the left hand side bar here and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you see settings. Go ahead, click on settings, and then once you have clicked on settings, under customize group here, as you can see there is an option for web address. So if you click on the little pencil icon right at the side of that, what that will do is it will open this up here. So for example, my group is www.facebook.com/groups/ and if I want a custom URL, what I will do is I will put in a name here. So for example, 2-minute tutorials. And then if this URL is free to use, you will get a green tick here, and what you need to do now is simply click on the save button. And then once you click on save, as you can see, this is now my custom URL for my Facebook group. So that's how you can go ahead and get a custom URL for your Facebook group.